What's going on, guys? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today I'm actually vlogging with the SI. I know I haven't made a vlog in a long time. I've just been doing install after install after install with the Shelby GT350 because we had a bunch of mods for the car sitting around, and it was time to just going back to back to back to back to back with the mods. So the car is really coming through. Everything's coming nice. A lot of you guys have been wondering who cars the Shelby GT350 and on my posts on IG in the comments. So the Shelby GT350 is actually my dad's car. It's actually his dream car. He always wanted to get a Shelby, and he was able to finally be able to get his dream car. So it's been fun being able to mod that car with him over and over and over and do different installs. So right now my dad is doing the LED switchback turn signals, where you see that when you turn on the signals it turns orange and then it lights up a bright white. So it's gonna be like a bright white, kind of like a fog light, but mine's is yellow, but it's gonna be like a white fog light down at the bottom, which is pretty dope. So it's pretty easy with that. You just replace those two bulbs right there with the ones that Dynamic supplies. So that's what he's doing right now. I'm not gonna have like an install video for that because it's pretty simple and easy to do. Also, guys, there's something else that I want to talk to you guys before I unveil the car parts. So I want to know, comment below, what's the reason why you guys watch the channel? What's your most interesting that made you decide, like, oh, I want to subscribe to this channel and watch this channel? Comment that below. And also I want to explain to you guys why I started making YouTube videos. So the reason why I started making YouTube videos was to be able to share the experience of modding this car, or I want to say modding this car, setting a goal that I wanted to achieve with this car. Is that basically what I wanted to do. So I had a vision of what I wanted this car to be, and of course it was not easy. It was definitely hard. Of course it took time, of course it took a lot of time to basically get this car to where it's at. And I wanted to show you guys, like, if I can do it, you can do it too. I wanted to inspire you guys. If you guys have a goal that you guys want to achieve, if you set the goal, write it down, set the goal, and go after that goal every single day, you can basically achieve any vision that you have in mind and make it happen and turn it into reality. So that is my end goal for you guys, to inspire you guys and show you guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. Of course, things don't happen just like that, a blink of an eye, but if you set the necessary steps and goals to get to that point, you will achieve that goal, point blank, period. So that's what I'm doing with this car. All right, guys, so let me get the car part that I wanted to unveil to you guys that I've been waiting for a while now. It's been like a minute that I've been waiting for this car part, and definitely is probably going to be one of my favorite mods for the car that makes the car stands out a lot. So let me get the box. All right, guys, so let me unveil the box right now so you guys can see. So this is how the box came. I have been waiting for this part for a long time, and this is definitely going to be one of my favorite parts, as you guys can see. Before we even unbox the part, comment below, what do you guys think the car part is? Comment below. I want to know, what do you guys think it is? I have been waiting for this for a minute. So we got this, and then I already opened the part already, guys, to make sure everything was here. But this is the part right here that I have been waiting for a while. So I know you guys can probably see it a little bit, but this is it, man. Definitely smash the like button because I've been waiting for this for a while. So here we go, guys. Put this over here. This is it, guys. This is it. So this is the big brake kit that I was talking about that I wanted to share with you guys. So I went ahead and copped the spoon calipers for the 8THGEN Honda Civic SI. This thing looks phenomenal. This thing looks really good. The quality of this is amazing. Looks really good. Pretty dope. So this is how the caliper looks. Real nice. Got the spoon logo. Got the Nissan logo right here. This is the same company actually that makes the same OEM calipers that's on the car now. it's the same company. So Spoon basically collaborated with the same OEM company that makes the calipers for Honda, which is pretty dope. And the dope part about the Spoon calipers is the OEM pads can work with the Spoon calipers. So this is more of a bigger brake caliper. The original calipers that's come on the SI are 2-piston calipers. These are actually 4 pistons. And the way you can tell is actually by looking inside of the piston. So there is 2 pistons right here, and then there's another on the other side, as you guys can see. So pretty dope. You got the bleeder on top, pretty dope. So you just unloosen these two and be able to put the brake calipers on each side, and of course the rotor goes in the middle. So pretty nice, high quality calipers right here. Gotta love it. Woo! These things look amazing. I cannot wait to put these on the car. So these are going to be going on the car very soon. I cannot wait to put them on the car. And of course the other caliper is right here. So pretty dope. Cannot wait to put these on the car. These are gonna be so dope rolling. Oh my god, I'm gonna break. Oh, it's gonna look amazing. I can't wait to be able to stop quicker. So he's gonna be able to definitely hit these on the track, stop quicker and everything. And the quality of these look amazing. So highly excited about these Spoon calipers. They look amazing, guys. Spoon definitely did a good job with these calipers. So can't wait to pop these bad boys on and share the process of the installation with you guys too, so you guys can install these for yourself and pick them up. So definitely, so can't wait to put that on. Of course you got all the hardware for it. These are the brackets that goes on the side of the Spoon calipers that bolts up to the back of the rotor bracket. So this is all the stuff that comes here. Quality, top-notch quality stuff right here. Bolts, the brackets and everything. Has the Spoon logo on there. So real nice, real clean and nice. Alright, but honestly guys, I am so excited for these Spoon calipers. I have been waiting for a long time. Definitely wanted to cop these a while ago. Definitely, I was telling you guys that I definitely wanted to go with a big brake kit for this car, that something that would definitely help on the track, that would make an overall big difference. But of course I wanted something that will be able to still use the OEM pads, and definitely I could be able to swap those up real quick. And of course with the OEM pads there's a lot less brake dust compared to a lot of the aftermarket brake pads as well. So that is a plus as well. So that's pretty dope. And these Spoon calipers will work with the stock rotors if you ever decide if you want to use the stock rotors. Honestly, on my car, these stock rotors are pretty done. You can actually see the metal contact on these starting to definitely shine really to like a metal end to it. So these rotors need to get swapped out as soon as possible. So I plan to do the install real soon. So if you guys have been following the channel for a while, I actually have new rotors for these already that I have for a while now. I also have finally got the Spoon calipers that I've of course always wanted to get, and I finally got it. And I'm also probably going to upgrade the brake lines as well to go to the stainless steel brake lines, so you definitely get a better feel with braking overall. So of course guys, definitely that was my end goal. Of course definitely want to do it right the first time, and of course like I've been telling you guys, I definitely want to track the car and definitely want to take the right approach of doing it right. And that's what my goal has, and that's why I decided to go with the Spoon calipers. And the Spoon calipers work with the Mugen GP. Of course the big brake kits will not work with the stock wheels, but they will work with the GPs because of the offset that the GPs have. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, these are basically the stock brakes, and I can stick basically 2 fingers and it has a lot of clearance right there. So that's crazy how much clearance the Mugen GPs have with the stock brakes for the front too. So really happy about the thumbs up for that. Also guys, if you guys don't know, on Sunday I will be going to Honda Super Meet in New Jersey. I'll post a flyer like right here so you guys can check it out, but I will be here this Sunday. I know some of you guys already had DM me asking me, am I going to be there? Yes, I'll be there. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step towards your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.